Bangalore city on the Matinee Show. 60% of Bangaloreans saying it's the pay that's important, not so much the people. Quite an insight. Do stay tuned to Radio City 91 till evening, because on Route 91 you can find out what does Bangalore think about the same thing. Is it the pay? Is it the people? Because it's time for me to be headed out. It's 1:53 and I've got time for one last song. And this song is going to be one of my very, 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 very dear song. I think it's a really nice song, a favorite of mine, A.R. Rahman composition, slightly different from the ones that I usually play you. It's from the film Sapne. And while I'm headed out, let me again leave you with my usual line saying, be careful on the road. If you're driving, be really, really careful, because traffic condition isn't like all that great in the city. So be really careful, and if you're stuck in a traffic jam, be sensitive to the other drivers. And if you want to mail me, bangalore@myradiocity.com, that's the email address. And tomorrow is a request special, so don't forget to send me your request and dedication. For now, I'm out of here. Take care and stay locked, because coming up is Fiona with Simply Adjust My Lyrics. The Matinee Show with Sindhu, Sindhu with the Matinee Show.
बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे चंदरे कभी तो समी पर बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे तुझको आते इधर लाज आए घर छोड़ के आजा तो बादल गने चंदरे कभी तो समी पर बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे तुझको आते इधर लाज आए घर ओढ़ के आजा तो बादल गए
ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಈ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದೆಂಥ ದುರಭ್ಯಾಸ. ಕಂಡ್ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಿನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ವೇ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಮಹಾಶಯರು ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಂಡತಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಉಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಇರೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನಿಂದ ನಾವೆಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತಾ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಈ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ. ಶ್ರೀ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಟೋಪಿನೇ ಸಾಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಟೋಪಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾ?
Each person every day looks into the mirror at least 15 times. But how many of us have really asked this question? Who is the person gaping at me from the mirror? Is it me? Really me? If so, who am I? But aren't we really fortunate? Our reflections in the mirror mutely obey our commands. What if? What if the reflection does not obey our command? What if it thrusts its hand out, catches us by the collar, and asks us, who am I? Do we have an answer for the question, who am I? Who is it in the mirror? Who is it in the mirror?